Hi there, today, miso salmon. Now I'm doing this for a rice bowl, so I have my salmon cut in like 1 inch pieces. Now you're gonna want about 2 pounds of salmon here for this recipe. I'm about a half a pound short, but we're gonna go for it anyway. And for the marinade, 3 tablespoons white miso, the juice from half of a lime. Then I have 1 teaspoon sesame oil and 4 teaspoons soy sauce or tamari, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, and then you're going to want to get 3 tablespoons of grated ginger. I don't have a microplane here, so I'm doing everything in this. And if you didn't want to do this in your blender, then you could absolutely just grate your ginger, but this is how we're doing it today. So I'm just giving that a rough chop in there. And then I have 4 cloves of garlic, and you can either grate these or smash them, and in we go. I'm doing 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper and then a teaspoon of kosher salt. So now this is optional, but for me, I try to sneak scallion, cinnamon, and turmeric into everything. So I'm not really doing this for flavor here, but just because they're so good for us, and it's just a great way to sneak it in. So I'm going to do like a half a teaspoon of my scallion cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of my turmeric. Again, this is optional. And now we're going to give this a whirl. Now you can go ahead and cook this right away, or you can let it sit for 15-20 minutes, which I like to do, and just really absorb all of those beautiful flavors. So just give it a good toss. And it already smells amazing. And while we're just going to let this sit for a little while, we'll get our sheet tray and our oven on. Now, once you're ready to cook, broiler on high and your oven rack to its highest level. And then we're just going to spread this miso salmon onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. And then we're going to spread it out so it all has kind of its own little space. Now, under your broiler for 3 minutes, twirl your pan around, and then go another 3 to 4 minutes. Now, like I said, I am using my salmon for a salmon bowl today, and I'm going to start that with some of this beautiful purple rice. It is so amazing, so good for you, so delicious. And then I made a coconut, cucumber, and carrot salad, because you know you got to have a little something sweet and a little something crunchy. And now we're just waiting for that salmon to come out of the oven. Out of the oven, the smell is amazing. I'm going to give it a toss, just to toss it in that sauce. Onto my bowl here. And a beautiful, healthy miso salmon bowl. Isn't it amazing? It's so easy to do. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later.